Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a business bank account in Central African Republic. So let's get started. So here is google.com and here I will just see for the list. Okay. So here we can see some top banks. So the top banks is your first bank is your Bank of Central African States. Then we have here Banque Postal Check. Then we have BICA. Then other banks. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in your Bank of Central African States. So I will just go to their website. So here we can see, so to open a business bank account here you have to visit their nearest branch. Okay, so here we have to like if you scroll down we can see some contact option and some documents also. So you can just go and read some detail and you can directly open your account. So opening the account will be require a minimum age of 18 and you should have at least uh, legal identity proof and some other detail. So this is how to open a business bank account in your Central African States. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.